What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We are out here at the beautiful Terry Peak in South Dakota, right down the street from my house, probably like 30 minutes. This is like my local mountain that I always go to. No helmet, no goggles. That boy bold and covered in snow. He's bold. But yeah, I'm gonna stay off this. This is pretty icy over here. We got dumped on the other day. When was this? Probably like Tuesday we got dumped on. So I knew we were gonna have some pretty nice powder today. So I was like, why not come out and enjoy some of this powder? So we are out here, and man, look at the views, bro. I'm just grateful. How can you not be grateful when we live in the world so beautiful? So I was talking to one of the other guys. He said stay off Cussy. Cussy is what we just got done looking at. Only good thing about Cussy is those moguls. I might hit those moguls a little later. Right now, there's nothing about that just makes me super excited to want to hit it. Now we're about to make our way down. Probably get us a shot of whiskey. Shot of whiskey sounds good to celebrate. And yeah. All right, let's do it. It's so hard to stomp that because it is icy. That's one thing about it. Let's hit these trees. They look kind of fun. That was pretty cool. Hit a little ice right there at the end. Oh, back into some more. Dude, how can you not love this? Ice like fuck. Fuck. That was cool. It's like a roller coaster. It's like slow. I've done those trees before, and they're usually not bad, but I landed right there. I fucking dug in that shit. That was cool though. That was definitely cool. Have some snow. It's a log right there. That's kind of scary. We are all the way stomping shit today. Oh my God. Dude. My first time hitting this. Check. Let's see. This is the lodge we were trying to make it to. I don't think. Ooh, look how busy it is. All right, so this is the Stewart Lodge. This is my favorite lodge at Terry Peak. It is the beginner side, so it is busy, but it's the nicest lodge for sure. gotta try to keep some speed. Damn, I hope I got enough speed for this. Cause you kind of got to be cooking right here. I ain't gonna lie. I almost lost it. Oh, that was good. We went a little bit too. But we're good for sure.
During the weekends, it's packed. During the weekends, it's really packed.
I heard it's super packed.
During the weekend, you can't even ski without falling.
Really? Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not a fan. I honestly have never been here on the weekend. I came one Friday, maybe like 3 weeks ago before I went to Colorado. Nice to meet you, bro. You have a good one. All right, here we go. Oh my God, bro. Could not make this shit up. Damn. Caught an edge. Haven't done that in a while. Where is it at? All right. I was trying to jump this jump. That's what I get for being indecisive, though. I couldn't decide what I wanted to do. But I bet you some really nice fucking powder over here in this area I'm about to take y'all. I almost know it is. See what I'm talking about? Look at this. Woo! Oh man, it's always so nice over here. Oh, damn. I didn't fall, it's just icy. Woo. All right, we're gonna try to do a fast run. Yep. That's what I was saying. Haven't done this one yet. I went the other way last time. Oh wow, right by the lodge. Look at this. Here we go. Whew. Oh man, that ice, dude. I knew that was coming. I knew that was coming. I should have kept going that way. I can say I didn't see it, but that's not true. I got sketched out. I got to do it again. I got to do it again. This board is so... We're just gonna... There we go. That feels a lot better. Oh my God. Wow, what? I wonder, is that outside the boundary? I don't want to get outside the boundary. Ugh. This is the harder side. Okay. Yeah, that was a boundary area. Woo! Yes, sir. Woo! Over the ice. Let's go. That's an accomplishment in itself. There we go. Good landing that time. Let's take this way this time. Oh shit. Probably just hit a rock or something. Holy cow, ouch. Wow, yeah, okay, it's a rock right there. You know, I did see that on YouTube. I did see that on YouTube. They said you gotta watch out for rocks when you're doing trees. Copy that. Lesson learned. So, this one part is just more fun when you sending it. Yeah, right here. That was sketchy. Woo. Oh, wow. Oh. I keep doing that too. I keep leaning back. I need to make sure I'm over my front foot and I'm good. We gonna sing some Gold Run down. That should be pretty fun. I like Gold Run. It's a green, but it's super cool. It's arguably the best green at Cherry Peak. And you guys can debate me in the comments if you've ever been to Cherry Peak. I feel like it's the best green. So here we go. Gold Run. So we start out at the top. I want to make sure we get to this. Okay, there go Gold Run right there. So we're passing Black Moon and Missing Link. I actually haven't done those, so this might be a good video to get those too. There's Holy Terror. Haven't done that either. Haven't heard anything about it, neither good nor bad. All right, I will go switch for a little bit. I might fall. I haven't done switch that much today. That didn't feel too good. Road running this way. Yeah, well, actually, damn, I need to keep my speed. Fuck. I forgot. Oh. Oh shit, I forgot to go that way. I forgot how to hit it. Oh man, I'm gonna have to send it again, bro. Yo. Oh shit, that was lit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, y'all are lit. What the fuck? Let's go. I'm good. I'm not there yet though. Oh man, that was good. I'm gonna have to go. I'm gonna have to send Gold Run again. That was lit. Oh, this is cool. Stop it. It says caution. Yo, what? That's all rocks. That was pretty cool. See, that's where I always mess up on Switch. It's like, let's cross over. You know what I mean? Let's cross over. Where do I want to go from here? I could do a tree run. Smoke over here this time. If you would have asked me at the beginning of this season if I would have been doing trees, like doing full tree runs, my answer would have been fuck no, dude. It's crazy. Cause the first day you start something, you'll be like what the fuck? Like it just seems impossible. Like how does anybody do this? And then you start doing it, and you like, oh okay, I can kind of see what they did there. Hell, it's totally sketchy. So what is that? There's a rock right there. Dude, what? I'm just at the beginning? Thanks. Yeah. All right. Let's do this, man. Look at the little kid. That's a jump. I should have sent it. Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo. I don't know if y'all seen that. Somebody just went crazy though. I haven't done this at all today yet. So this is home steak. Oh my god, this is awesome. Oh man. This is lit. I wasn't even trying to send this, but hey, I guess he's sending it. Man, I would have to like. Man, uh, I have picked up speed so fast. Oh my, look at that. Oh my god. Fresh, untouched. Oh my god. That is a scene for your ass. Holy cow. That was crazy. Fresh, untouched. Oh my god, y'all. Ooh, this should be fun. Check out Rick's Run. Can y'all see that? I don't know. I think we should. Fuck it. I see some pow pow. Here we go.